Nowadays, just about any app has a dark mode. Well, now in Windows 10, you can also enable dark mode for the File Explorer. So all you have to do is go to the bottom left corner of the screen, click the Start button, and then click Settings. And now you should see a list of Windows settings. And now from there, click Personalization. And from the left side of the screen, click Colors. Now go all the way to the bottom to where it says choose your default app mode and then choose light or dark. Since you want to enable the dark theme, we're going to choose dark. Now as you can see, everything, including the File Explorer, turns dark in Windows 10. Previously, in past versions of Windows 10, this only worked for things like the Settings app. But nowadays, it also works for the File Explorer. So as you can see, doing this is very easy to do. For more videos like this, please subscribe and thanks for watching.